Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juby May, a mom of two beautiful girls. I upload cleaning, cooking, mommy vlogs, and lifestyle. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click the bell icon so you won't miss future videos coming up, and I would love you to join my family. In today's video, we are going to clean the kitchen with me and we are going to unbox my coffee machine. Yay, finally! Without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. After keeping all the dried stuffs in the drying rack, let's unload the dishwasher.
Whatever we would do, we do it just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. I wanna stay forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better, so take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Get it right, right now, right now, right now. Get it right, right now, right now, get it right, right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Gotta get it right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Hello guys, if you remember about my coffee, yes, this coffee guys, so hindi talaga siya nag-work na guys since then. So I bought another one. So this is the new one guys, and now we are going to open it and we'll show you later. And also I bought a book for me, so I have two things inside. Okay guys, so I just opened guys the box and nandito na guys ang mga laman nito. So this is the book that I bought guys. Yes, so this is the book, so I'm so excited to read it. And also this is the coffee machine guys. So I bought, yes, another Nespresso. And the color is red also guys, but the design is a little bit different. Yes, and yeah, finally I can drink my Nespresso coffee again. Okay guys, so here is my Nespresso. So I'm going to open it guys and then show it to you, okay? So this is the longy. Yes. And look at this. There are so many colors of this coffee. Yes, there's intense, espresso, variations, pure origin, decaffeinato, and longo. Yes, and they give me this one, so it has 14 capsules inside already, plus 20 euros discount directly guys if I buy Nespresso to the Nespresso shop. But because I cannot go out and buy, so I cannot use this one. Yes, so let's see. I am so excited because I can't remember when was the last time I used this one. Can you see they have different style? This one is like this, just open like that, and this time is this one guys, different. This is the difference. And then the light. Okay, so let's compare later. So once you open guys, yes, you can see this, yeah, and then this one. So we're going to assemble this one. Okay, so that is the cover. This is where you place the cup, and here is the box guys of this Nespresso. And yes, it has, look, different flavor. Two, four, so there are 14 guys. Yes, so nice, huh? And let's remove from here. Oh, okay, it's easier. Oh wow, so shiny. Yes, it is really so nice. I love it. I love it. So let's, yay! Can you see guys? Can you see? Let's try it. Yay! So it works. So nice. I'm going to use after my lunch. And also guys, it comes with these papers, this manual, and this is the like flavors of these Nespresso. Yes, so yan guys, you can see here about this coffee. Ayan. And also this is the manual. Yes, Essenza Mini, my machine. So this is the manual. So I'm so excited to use it guys. First, I'm going to clean this one. Ito lang naman guys ang dapat linisan, yung deposit ng tubig. Yes, and then I have to wipe here, and of course I have to take this out. I have to take this out. This is the serial number of the product, so maybe I have to put it here. Yes, ayan. So guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Maybe I have to search on the internet if someone is repairing this guys, kasi sayang siya guys eh. Tingnan nyo, kasi na matagal na to guys, but bago pa rin, it looks new pa rin siya. Yes, so yan, this is the new one. Ang cute itong new one, di ba? Mas maliit siya, look, compared. So mas maliit talaga siya. So mas maliit din na space ang kailangan niya. So ilagay lang natin dito. Yes, it's really cute. Everyone, I just wash this water deposit, and I filled already with water. So let's try it, guys. So let's start. Okay, so I'm not going to use this one, guys, because I'm not sure where is the decaf. If not, I cannot sleep, guys, if I'll take now, because the time is, what time is it now? It's 3:48 already, and I have my decaf coffee here. Yes, can you see? Because there's name, it says descafeinado in Spanish. So let's try it. Oh wow, hindi siya noisy, guys, like the other one. You can hear sound, but the sound is okay, guys. This is rice milk, guys, and the rest is milk without sugar.